So today in this video we shall learn to convert unlike fractions to like fractions. So unlike fractions means having different denominators and like fractions means having same denominators. So here fractions are 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So here denominators are 2 and 3 means it is unlike fractions and we have to convert it into like fractions. So while converting unlike fractions into like fractions, first of all we have to take the LCM means lowest common multiple of denominators 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to, so the LCM of 2 and 3 is, it is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So now we have to convert 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 into like fractions. So we can write 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into. So the LCM here is 6. So we have to divide this LCM with the denominator 2. So 2 times 3 means 6. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So because LCM is 6 and we have denominator is 2. So 2 divide 6 means 3. So 2 times 3 means 6. So now 1 into 3 means 3 by 2 times 3 means 6. Like as we have another fraction is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 3 into. So again we have to divide the LCM 6 by the denominator 3. So 6 divided by 3 means 2. So we have to multiply it by 2. So it is 2 times 2 means 4 by 3 times 2 means 6. So now we got the same denominator 6 and 6. Therefore we can say that 3 by 6 and 4 by 6 are like fractions. So unlike fractions means having different denominator and like fractions means having same denominators. And while converting unlike fractions into like fractions, first of all we have to take the LCM of denominators. After that we have to divide the LCM by the denominator given in all. So like as another problem we have is 2 by 3 and 5 by 6, and it is also unlike fractions and we have to convert it into like fractions. So first step is we have to take the LCM. So LCM of denominators 3 and 6 is equal to, so LCM of 3 and 6, so it is 3 times 1 means 3, 3 times 2 means 6. So LCM is equal to 3 times 2 means 6. So that we can write LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So now we have first fraction is 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 3 into. Now we have to divide the LCM by 3. So 3 times 2 means 6. So multiplied by 2 and 2. So it is 2 times 2 means 4. Like as 3 times 2 means 6. So like as our second fraction is 5 by 6. So it is 5 by 6. Now 6 divided by 6 means 1. So 1. So it is 5 into 1. 5 by 6 into 1, 6. So we got here the same denominator 6 and 6. Therefore we can say that 4 by 6 and 5 by 6 are like fractions. So initially we have 2 by 3 and 5 by 6 which are unlike fractions because their denominators are different, which is 3 and 6. So we have converted it into like fractions whose denominator is same 6 and 6. Like as now we solve the last problem, which is 5 by 4 and 3 by 10. So it is also unlike fractions because its denominator are different, which is 4 and 10. So our first step is we take the LCM of denominator 4 and 10. So the LCM of 4 and 10, so it is 2 times 2 means 4, 2 times 5 means 10. So we can write LCM is equal to 2 multiple 2 multiple 5. So 2 multiple 2, 4, 4 multiple 5, 20. So the LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. So now we have fraction 5 by 4. So it is 5 by 4 into. So 20 divided by denominator 4, it means 4. 5 times 5, so it is 5, 5. So it is 5 into 5 means 25. Like as 4 times 5 means 20. Like as you have second fraction is 3 by 10. So it is 3 by 10 multiple. So 20 divided by 10 means 2. So multiplied by 2. So 3 times 2 means 6. Like as 10 times 2 means 20. So we got the fractions 25 by 20 and 6 by 20 are also like fractions. So it is also like fraction because it has the same denominator, which is 20. So in this way we can solve or convert unlike fraction into like fraction. So we have to remember is, first of all we have to take the LCM of denominators, first step. Like a second step is, after taking denominator we have to divide the LCM by the denominator. So denominator is 4 here, so 4 divided by 20 means 5. So like as 20 is divided by 10 means 2, and we have to multiply the divisor with numerator and denominator. So this much for today, and if you have any problem regarding math, then just comment your question in a comment below and we shall provide a video solution of your question. So thank you.